Hi everyone. Today I'm going to take you on a little tour of buying a domain name. So we highly recommend NameCheap. So you go on here and you want to search out your domain name. So I'm looking at one for my name today. So you type in the name that you want, hit search, and up comes chrisharleyjessen.com. That's the one I want. So I'm going to add that to my cart. And it's as simple as that. I always add on an SL or SSL. That's your security certificate. You want to have that. And that's the difference of seeing HTTP versus HTTPS. If you don't have that, what will come up when somebody tries to go onto your site is it'll say this site is not secure. And a lot of people will shy away from that. So make sure you get your security certificate, and then we can move on to the next part. Now that we have our domain name, we want to add it to Groove. So what we want to do is, I'll just cancel out of this. So this is the page I want to have the domain on. So what we're going to do is go into domains here, add a domain, and we're going to write down what the name is. So this one is myname.com. Okay, so chrisharleyjessen.com. And then you've got this choice. Do you want it for Groove pages, funnels, cell tracking, Groove blog, membership, etc. So because this is a landing page, I want it on Groove pages, so I click that. And would you like Groove to host it? Yes, of course I want that. And you hit save. So now what happens is, well, we'll wait till this comes up so you can see. It wants to know what your name servers are. So we head over to NameCheap because that's what I like. And we'll go into the domain list here and zip down till I find the domain I purchased called Chris Harley Jessen. So there it is, and you want to manage that domain. So you click on that, and we go down here to name servers. Here we click down this drop down box, and we want a custom DNS. And that's going to show us these two name servers. Now they're blank. So now we pop back over to Groove and we get the name servers that they provide us. So you want to put the first one in the first block. So here is the first one. You just copy that, pop back over to NameCheap, and you post it there. So let's go get the second one. There's the second one, copy back to NameCheap. And then you go up to this little green check mark and you hit save. So this says that the DNS server update may take up to 48 hours, but generally it's a lot quicker than that. So then we go back over here to Groove, and I just hit update. It goes back to here. So now you want to see what the status is. You go back into edit domains, and there you can see that, I already have 2 domain names that are active. And this one, the one I just did, is currently pending. Okay, and we'll come back in a second when that is active. So after a few minutes, you can see that it is now active. And so what we want to do is to further edit it. We go in here and you want everything to be pointing towards Groove. And this parking page NameCheap, that's not correct. So we'll delete that CNAME, confirm that. And this isn't right as well with the IP address. And we'll just delete that, confirm. Okay, so now that is done. We just hit update. And I am going to publish the site. I want it to go to chrisharleyjessen.com. So I've clicked, I'll just slow down and do that again. I'm choosing the domain I want it to go to. So chrisharleyjessen.com, hit publish. And you will see here that it is, sorry, my Adobe updates are popping in here. So we've hit publish, and it's actually publishing right now. If you ever want to unpublish it, then of course you've got the unpublish button. And we'll just pop over here and put in, oops, put in chrisharleyjessen.com, and voila, there is my page. So it's as simple as that. I hope this helps, and please do reach out if you have any questions. Adrian and I are always happy to help. Okay, thank you.